आरम्भं करोतु।
ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णुः गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
सहना भवतु।
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
शान्तिः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः।
अस्तु, श्रीविद्या महोदय पृच्छतु, किं प्रष्टुम् इच्छति?
I wanted to ask when is the next class will be next session?
न जानामि. I don't think it's been decided.
Okay.
Astu. Any questions about anything we have studied thus far? Any questions about the homework? Has anybody attempted the January or February 2020 paper?
Mohdaya, I just had a look at it.
Katham asti?
Me too.
Katham
It's actually very easy.
Yeah, that is
Very, very easy.
अहं बहुवारं कथितवान् खलु, अस्माकं गृहकार्यं रिविजन् टेस्ट् किञ्चित् कष्टरूपेण भवति, प्रवेशपरीक्षा सुलभम् एव भविष्यति। अस्तु, प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा तस्मिन् विषये? About the practice exam that you took?
aham one prashna
pruchatu.
In the paper they saw this thing and this thing, so this is hasta and this is angulya.
I have to look at the question, Mahoday.
Question paper, I will tell you which one.
Chaitra Mahoday, do you remember?
They saw the picture and we have to write down the...
I understand. Does anybody remember?
Question paper, July 2018.
Yeah, we haven't gone there. I'm asking about the 2020.
Yeah, 2020. No question.
Pravesh exam. What was it? 2018, July?
July.
What is the page number?
Page number, I don't know, but it's a jar.
Astu, asti. Astu, ekavaram pashyamah. Let's look at the question paper very quickly to understand the format. Atra asti. Drishyate va?
Drishyate.
Astu. Mama sanganakamapi drishyate va?
Drishyate.
So is this the one that you are asking about?
Yes.
कः वक्तुम् इच्छति? भवती एव प्रयत्नं करोतु हर्ष महोदय। एतत् किम् अस्ति? हस्तः। अनन्तरं नेत्राणि।
नासिका। नेत्रे। नासिका। पादं।
अंगुल्य. I think nails.
द्वयोः द्वे अपि वक्तुं शक्यते. If you want, yeah, you can write angulya, fingers, or nails, nakaha. I think they mean fingers though. I think they mean fingers.
Okay.
I think they wanted to distinguish between 1 and 5. That's why they are showing the hand in the reverse position. The nails happen to be incidental to the picture, but I think even if you write nakaha, they'll accept it.
Okay.
Astu, शीघ्रं वयं पश्यामः. तत् सः सा. So napumsaka, pumlinga, strilinga. That's the order, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm answering the questions. Let's go. Anupama Mahode, vadatu. Aha, I, u.
That would be Visargaha, Dirgaha, Hasvaha,
Hrasvaha. Uttama.
Rasvaha.
Srividya Mahode.
That will be Mra, Rma, Mr. The first one.
Uttama. Bhavani Mahode.
Mitram Napumsakalinga. Lekhani
So
Striling.
I understand
okay.
that. You have to give the order.
Oh, so okay. Okay. So Vrikshaha Pullinga, Lekhani Strilinga, Mitram Napumsakalinga. Then in the
Hemanti.
Yeah.
That's all. There is only one answer.
Okay.
Hemanti Mahode.
Okay, one say. Aham Vande, Saha Vandate, and Tvam Vandase. So
Uttamam.
Aham.
Trutiyam. Satyam. Lakshmi Mahode.
Maria, you want me to attempt it?
Prayatnam
I
karo.
thought- and then, okay. Bhavan, aham, vayam. Nayati, Bhavami, Smaramaha.
Uttamam. Vijay Menon Mahodaya. Number 7.
भक्तः गंगा वृक्षः. Second one, is it vikasati, pushpam vikasati, bhaktah vandate, ganga vahati, vriksha kampate.
Satyam. Does anybody disagree with this? It's very easy now, Mahodaya. Pushpam cannot vahati. Pushpam probably kampate. Parantu Ganga tu na vikasati. Therefore, number 2 is the answer. Uttama. Chaitra Mahodaya.
ते शालाः तानि पुस्तकानि ते गुरवः.
That choice is not here. Te Guravah va?
Oh no. Okay, Tani Pustakani, that's the right one. Then Te Guravaha, then Taha Shalaha. Second one.
Shala is Strilinga. So Sate Taha. So Taha Shalaha Tani Pustakani Te Guravaha. Guruhu Guru Guravaha. Bahuvachanam. Anybody have any questions about this?
No.
Astu. Sumitra Mahode, Prayatnam Karotu. Navamam.
Tata Shadvadanam will be 6:30. Sapada Shadvadanam will be 6:15. And Padona, that will be 5:45. Padona.
So
The first one.
Prathamam.
Yes.
Uttamam. अद्य कः अस्ति कक्षायाम्? विजयसुन्दर महोदय 10th प्रयत्नं करोतु. 10th one.
अस्तु महोदय, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
पश्यामि, दृश्यामि, अपश्यत्, पश्यामि, वर्तमानकालः, दृश्यामि, वर्तमानकालः. It's the third one. Vartamana
Pashyami. What is the kala for Pashyami?
Vartamana
kala. Drakshyami.
Drakshyami also Vartamana kala hai.
Drakshyami.
Drakshyami.
Likhami, lekhishyami. Whenever you have shya. Bhavishyat kala.
Vartaman kala is not given in the middle.
No. Please let Vijay Sundara Mahodaya attempt. Apashyat.
Apashyat bhuta kala hai.
Usually when you have a in the front, it will be bhuta kala. When you have shya or ksha, it will be bhavishyat kala. So Vartamana, Bhavishyat, Bhuta. Trutiyam. Uttama.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Narayanan Mahodaya. नारायण महोदय अस्ति वा?
आं महोदय. वदति एकवचन. वदति, वदतः, वदन्ति.
वदति, वदतः, वदन्ति. उत्तमं. मीरा महोदय.
गायामि, गायावः, गायामः.
उत्तमं. भाग्या महोदय.
वन्दते, वन्देते, वन्दन्ते.
Uttamam. So what type of dhatu is this?
Atmanepadi latlakara.
Atmanepadi. How do you know it is Atmanepadi?
Te.
Latlakara, the ekavachana ends in te.
Ekavachana, vandadhatu.
Vandadhatu. How about vadati?
Vartamanakala latlakara vadadhatu.
Parasmaipadi va Atmanepadi?
Parasmaipadi ti. Parasmaipadi.
Katham janati. How do you know?
Ante ti asti mahodaya.
Latlakara ekavachana rupe.
Latlakare vartamana.
Ti asti. So if it ends in ti, latlakara, it is Parasmaipadi. If it ends in te, it is Atmanepadi. Uttamam. Bala Mahodaya. Chaturtham prayatnam karot.
Alikhat, something, and alikhan.
Who wants to do the something here?
Alikhatam.
Alikatham. Alikatam. Yeah.
Alikatam.
Alikatam.
Punaha Bala Mahodaya, punaha vadatu. Sampurnam.
Alikhat, alikatam, alikhan.
Uttamam. Ramu Mahodaya. Panchamam. 5th one. Ramu Mahodaya asti va?
I'm not gonna. Karishyami, karishyavah, karishyamaha.
Uttamam. Karishyami, karishyavaha, karishyamaha. So when you have shya, it is bhavishyat kala.
Bhavishyat kala.
Lut lakara.
Lut lakara.
Dhanyavadah. Prashant Mahodaya. Shashtam, 6th one.
I don't see a but. But is it patat? No. No, I'm not. I don't remember right now.
चिन्ता मास्तु हर्ष महोदय प्रयत्नं करोति वा
It's pathatu, pathatam, pathantu. It's a lot lakare patadhatu.
लोट् लकारः पठ् धातु उत्तम
Yes.
अनुपमा महोदय सप्तमं प्रयत्नं करोतु
महोदय अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
धातु किं लकारः कः
वर्तमान लट् लकार
धातु कः धातुः
अस्धातु
अस्धातु अस्ति स्तः सन्ति do you remember the other forms
महोदय the aham अस्मि स्वः स्मः
मध्यमपुरुषे
मध्यमपुरुषे असि स्थः स्त
अस्तु श्रीविद्या महोदय let's try this
First one is Sthalika.
का स्थालिका
Sthalika.
स्थालिका
Sthali.
एवं वा का स्थालिका अस्तु द्वितीयमपि करोतु
Utpitika.
उत्पीठिका अस्तु तृतीयमपि करोतु
Shishavaha.
शिशवः धन्यवादः हेमन्ती महोदय
अतिथिः शुभाशयः ओ शुभाशयाः सॉरी
बहुवचनं
शुभाशयाः आरक्षकः वृषभः
उत्तमं धन्यवादः
Mahodaya, I have a question with the bull. Is it Vrishabhaha or Rishabhaha is also correct?
ऋकारः
That is also correct.
What is the other one?
Like this is Vru, right?
Okay. ऋषभः अस्ति वा अहं न जानामि अहं केवलं ऋषभः इति जानामि
Because in the some Varnamala book or something I've seen for R, it is there. Rishabhaha
okay.
there.
अस्तु
धन्यवादः
कस्य क्रमः अस्ति भवानी महोदय प्रयत्नं करोतु
Overhead. Lalatam. Lalatam.
ललाटम
Lalatam. Okay.
द्वितीयं एतदपि प्रयत्नं करोतु
Okay. Trayate.
उत्तमं
Trayate. Protects.
विजय सुंदरम महोदय प्लीज ट्राई दीस थ्री
पाकशाला
उत्तमम्
वातायनं कपाटिका उत्तम धन्यवादः
अनु महोदय एक प्रश्न
पृच्छतु
so this is regarding that lalatam. So in our homework, I mean, we took it from the Abhyasa Pustakam. There it is given as lalataha.
Lalataha va?
So
Astu, pashyamaha. Pashyamaha if it is both or if it's only one.
But usually we say lalatam only.
Evam va? Kasturi tilakam
Whatever it
lalat.
is given here, we'll have to write Mahodaya. There's no.
That is
choice.
there. I think Chaitra Mahodaya's question is generally to know what it is. Atra pashyantu. Sanskrit dictionary मध्ये नपुंसकलिङ्ग अस्ति. अहमपि सम्यक् न जानामि. Even I used to think it was lalataha. Kosha मध्ये पश्यामः. नपुंसकलिङ्गमेव अस्ति. ललाटं प्रायः अभ्यासपुस्तके दोषः अस्ति. अत्र स्पोकन् संस्कृत मध्ये पुंलिङ्ग अपि अस्ति, नपुंसकलिङ्ग अपि अस्ति, परन्तु that is not an authentic source. अमरकोशे नपुंसकलिङ्गम् अस्ति. So I think the abhyasa pustakam there was a mistake.
Astu Mahodaya, dhanyawad.
Most of the body parts, Mahodaya, we have seen it as Napumsaka only, no? Commonly. Padam.
It is always Napumsakalinga only. Lalataha, we never say lalata. Lalatam only.
Padam, Hastam. But Hastaha I have seen.
We can't say that. Katihi. Katihi is the waist, right? So
even elbow, kurpara. Elbow also we say kurparaha.
Hastaha, Angulika, Strilingam.
Anguli,
we were going through some in Pravesha book last time. Our observation was most of it is Napumsaka, what Pravesha book has. In the Navama Pata, I think. Navama Pataha, lot of words were Napumsakalinga. Yeah.
But if you look at Abhyasa Pustaka page 72, Mahodaya, it has both Keshaha, Shiraha, Lalataha, Karnaha, then you know, Mukham, Vakchastalam. So
they exist in all three forms, all three lingas.
As long as they don't ask us to choose the correct one, it's okay. If they've given
Satyam. Yeah, if you read only the Abhyasa Pustakam, we would have written Lalataha, Parantu Lalatam Atra Diyate.
But they have given
Lalatam. Sorry.
No, I'm saying they have given Lalatam, so we can.
Satyam.
Yeah, even in Saundarya Lahari, we say Lalatam Lavanya only.
Astu.
Lalatam Napumsakalinga.
Amarakoshe Napumsakalingam asti, Tadeva Vayam Svikurmaha. Let's take it as that's an authentic source, so we can take it as Napumsakalinga. Astu Agre Saramaha. Lakshmi Mahodaya Bhavatyaha Kramaha asti. Shadvimshatihi.
Shadvimshatihi 26.
Etadapi karotu.
Chatvarimshat. 24.
24, huh?
Chatvarimshat.
What is 40?
Oh, sorry. Trimshat, Chatvarimshat. Oh, Chatvarimshat must be 40.
24
sorry,
Kim.
Shamyata.
24 Kim.
Vimshati, Ekamshati, Dvarimshati, Trimshati. Chatvarimshati only.
Chaturvimshati.
Chaturvimshati. Okay, sorry. Aswara.
Atra there is one way of remembering. Ekavimshatihi, Dvavimshatihi,
Dvavimshatihi.
Trayovimshatihi. So all the numbers in 20s, they end in tihi, tihi, tihi.
Vimshati. Okay.
Trimshat,
Asmode.
Ekatrimshat, Dvatrimshat, Trayastrimshat. Those are all 30s.
30. Okay.
Evameva, 40s also.
Chatvarimshat.
Ekachatvarimshat, Dvatri, etc.
Astu Mahodaya.
Astu. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, please do these remaining 3.
Navadash, 19. 19, I think. Navadash.
Dashmastu, Dasha.
Okay. Navadasha, 19. Ashitihi.
Wait. What is 90? 90?
Can't remember.
Who wants to try? Sumitra.
Navati.
Navati.
Navati. Okay, Navati.
So what is Navadasha?
19.
19.
Astu. Ashitihi kim?
80.
Panchatrimshat.
35.
35. Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Chaitra Mahodaya, etat prayatnam karotu.
Take the odd word. Putri, Jamata, Bharya, Mata. Jamata is the odd one, Mahodaya.
Kimartham?
Jamata, son-in-law, Pullingam. Putri, daughter, Bharya, I think wife, Mata, mother. So all these 3 words are Stri Lingam words. Hence, Jamata is the odd one out.
Parantu atra pashyatu Mata akaranta strilinga asti. I'm saying, I don't know if it is correct. I'm saying Mata strilingam, usually strilinga ends in a. So why not Jamata also strilingam? What is the
we have studied that Jamata is son-in-law, so
astu. No, that is fine. I'm trying to get you to think. So what is the Pratipadika?
Mata is Matru.
Jamata?
Jamata, no idea, Mahodaya. Jamatra, okay.
So just because you see in a word doesn't make it a strilinga. Sometimes Pita, for example, it's a Pumlinga because the Pratipadikam is Pitra, Rikaranta Shabda. So when you have Rikaranta Shabda in Pullinga, the Prathama Ekavachanam will be Pita, Jamata, etc. So just because you see Ta, don't assume it's always a Strilinga. It could be Rikaranta.
Mahodaya, one more thing. The Linga is not based on the meaning of the word.
Tattu Satyam, but for human relationships, they usually match. Normally, yes, I agree with you. For human relationships, 90%, 95% they match. There are exceptions. For example, Mitram, it's always Napumsakalingam. We think that Patni, wife, should always be in Strilingam, but it exists in Pumlinga and Napumsakalinga also.
There's a Pullinga Shabda for daughter-in-law also.
Satyam. So there will be exceptions.
Yeah, because the basic understanding in Sanskritam is the meaning of the word is not defining the Linga, but the word defines the Linga.
Satyam. Etadapi prayatnam karotu, Chaitra Mahodaya. Do up to 3.
Shukaha, Ajaha, Gajaha, Meshaha. Shukaha is a parrot. Yeah, then Gajaha is an elephant. Meshaha. I think the Gajaha, Meshaha, and Ajaha are they animals, and Shukaha is a bird, and hence Ajaha. I'm not very sure, Mahodaya.
Ajaha.
Meshaha.
वद कः वक्तुम् इच्छति? अजः किम् अस्ति? मेषः किम् अस्ति?
Ajaha is male goat.
उत्तमम्. अजः male goat. मेषः
Meshaha is a sheep.
sheep, ram. अस्तु. So Shukaha is the bird, parrot. Therefore it's the odd man out. तृतीयमपि करोतु चेत्.
महोदय एक प्रश्न.
Sudhakandaha is a chalk piece. Mishrakam is a mixer. Marjani is a broom. Krishna Phalakam is a blackboard. So I suppose Mishrakam is the odd one out because it's an electrical appliance, and all the other three, they fall into the stationary group.
Atra Marjani duster अस्ति.
Oh, it's a broom. Oh, that's a broom. Okay.
Broom api asti, duster api asti. Anything that cleans.
Okay.
So your eraser. Your logic is correct. These are all writing instruments related to writing. Mishrakam is a mixer. It's an odd man out. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya, prashna asti va?
Yes. You see, when we have to write answers, should we write all and then we have to tick, or we have to write
Atra
only
pashyatu. Tick the odd word.
Yeah. But in the question paper, we have to rewrite that.
Answer paper, just write the correct answer. So for 3, if you are writing, just write Mishrakam.
Okay. Astu. Dhanyawad.
Sumitra Mahodaya, try 4, 5, 6.
Jambiram, Alukam, and sorry, excuse me, Patalam. So it should be Patalam. Patalam is a flower. Other things are vegetable.
What is Jambiram?
Lemon. And Alukam is potato. Vrindakam should be brinjal. And Patalam should be rose.
Rose. Patalam, Patala Pushpam. The color pink is also called Patalam.
Shashakaha. Shashakaha is glass. Samajini is broom. Darvi is the ladle. Chamasaka is spoon. So it should be Samarjini. So the other things are kitchen items.
Uttamam.
The next one is Rame, Devi, Mitra. Rame is Sambodhana. No. Sambodhana. Rame is Saptami Vibhakti.
Ekavachanam.
So Ekavachanam. And
Devi.
Devi is also Sambodhana. Mitra is also Sambodhana. So Rame is Saptami Vibhakti. So
Uttama. So does Rame, when you see these two, does it trigger anything in your minds?
Rame,
Mano.
Satyam. That's how we keep remembering things. Vijay Sundara Mahodaya. Bahuvachanam.
Question.
Pruchatu.
Do they expect us to write all the 4 and tick 1, or write only the odd man out?
Write the odd man out.
Dhanyawada.
So atra Rame iti likhatu. You don't even have to give the reason. Just write Rame.
Dhanyawada.
Vijay Sundara Mahodaya. Bahuvachanam likhatu. Balaha pathati.
Balakaha patanti.
Balaha ekavachanam.
Yeah.
Tasya bahuvachanam kim asti?
Bala patanti.
Balaha pathanti. Anantaram saha pashyati.
Saha pashyati. Te pashyanti.
उत्तमं तृतीयं
का पच्यति कानि पच्यति
what is ka?
का okay
What is the lingam? Ka.
स्त्रीलिंग
So ka ke
कौ
Sita. No, what is Sita? Sita.
सीता
Site.
सीते सीताः
Sitaha. So ka
का
ke
काः
kaha. Kaha. Ka ke kaha. Kaha pachanti. Uttamam. Chaturtham.
किं विकसति किं कानि विकसन्ति
उत्तमं कानि विकसन्ति पञ्चमम्
एतत् पतति एतानि पतन्ति
उत्तमं षष्ठमम्
अहं गच्छामि अहं वयं गच्छामः
अन्तिमं
जननी नयति जनन्यः नयन्ति
उत्तमं जननी नयति जनन्यः नयन्ति उत्तमं धन्यवादः अस्तु बाला महोदय प्रयत्नं करोतु लेट्स डू द फर्स्ट फोर
सा कथां लेखितुम् इच्छति
लेखितुम् इच्छति अर्थः कः
she wants to write
लेखितुं what type of word it is
तुमुन् प्रत्यय
अस्तु द्वितीयं करोतु
रामः धावित्वा लक्ष्यं प्राप्नोति
अर्थः कः
he runs and gets his objective
धावित्वा what type of word it is
tatva pratyaya
tva pratyaya ka is also half it's not full so tva
pratyaya
अस्तु तृतीयं करोतु
सा सत्यम् उक्तवती
सः अस्ति चेत्
उक्तवान्
धन्यवादः हेमन्ती महोदय एतत् फ्रॉम 4 to 7
बालः फलं खादितवान्
फलं खादितवान् बालिका अस्ति चेत्
खादितवती
अस्तु
उत्तिष्ठ जाग्रत इति स्वामी विवेकानन्दः वदति
so what is iti
that's what he said उत्तिष्ठ जाग्रत so yeah.
Everything that comes before iti is a quotation
छात्रः संस्कृतं गणितं विज्ञानं च पठति
उत्तमम्
वृष्टिः भवति चेत् जनाः सन्तुष्टाः भवन्ति
अर्थः कः
because it rains people are feeling satisfied happy
no chet is
no,
not
chet.
because
Okay. yeah chet is not there okay if it rains
if it rains
yeah if it rains yes
but
if it rains then people will
so Vrushtih bhavati chet janaha santushtaha bhavanti. If it rains, the people will feel happy. You were trying to say a different thing. You were trying to attempt because and therefore.
Right. Ataha yataha. Okay.
Try to rewrite this sentence using ataha and yataha.
Yataha. Okay. Vrishtihi bhavati. Ataha janaha santushtaha bhavanti.
Artha kaha.
It rains, therefore people are feeling happy.
Uttamam. Try using yataha.
Yataha. Janaha santushtaha bhavanti. Yataha vrishtihi bhavati.
Uttamam. Artha kaha.
People are feeling happy because it rains.
So yataha because, ataha therefore. Atra prashnaः सन्ति वा? धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
Narayanan Mahodaya, please try the first two.
गृहे सप्त जनाः सन्ति. गृहे जनाः सन्ति. गृहे कति जनाः सन्ति.
Kati is quantity.
How many? How many? Yeah.
How many?
Oh, you want me to continue? Okay.
Do the first two.
Okay. Krishnah panchavadane kridati. Krishnah kridati kada kridati. When will he play?
Bhagya Mahoday. Do 3, 4 and 5.
Bagini Kashi Nagaram Gamishyati. Bagini Kimartam Bagini Kutra Gamishyati.
Kutra Gamishyati. Kimartham is also possible, but they have already given an answer. So Kutra is more appropriate.
Yeah. Yamuna Nadi Himalayataha Pravahati. Yamuna Nadi Kutaha Pravahati.
Artha kaha.
Yamuna Nadi, Yamuna River, where is it Yamuna Nadi flowing?
From.
Right?
Kutaha. Kutaha. From. Panchami vibhakti.
Lata Samyak Gayate. Lata Khatam Gayate.
Katham. How? Uttama. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Meera Mahoday, please try the first two. Meera Mahoday अस्ति वा?
आं महोदय. रामस्य पिता दशरथः. Rama's father is Dasharatha. Shashti vibhakti pullinga shabda
ekavachanam. Dvitiyam.
Phalam vrikshat patati. Phalam falls from the tree. Is falling. Fall from the tree. Fall from the tree.
Falls ekavachanam asti.
Ekavachanam vrikshat from. So panchami vibhakti.
Panchami vibhakti. Ekavachanam vrikshat. Dhanyavadaha. Prashant Mahodaya, please try 3 and 4.
Vishnave Namaha.
Vishnave.
Vishnave.
Why Vishnave?
Namaha.
Why not Vishnu?
Because of Namaha.
So Namaha asti chet kim karaniyam? What will be the vibhakti? Whenever there is a Namaha, what will be the vibhakti of the word?
Was it?
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Chaturthi, yes. Sorry, Chaturthi.
Vishnave Chaturthi vibhakti Ukaranta Vishnu Shabda Ekavachanam. Chaturtham karotu.
Aham. Aham nasikaya jigrami. I don't know the meaning, jigrami.
Smell.
Okay. I smell
Nasikaya.
through the nose.
From the nose, through the nose. Uttama. Dhanyavadah. Harsha Mahoday, do 5 and 6, please.
Okay. Parvatyaha putraha Ganapati.
Parvatyaha, what is that? Linga, Vibhakti, Vachana.
Shashti, Parvati Shabdaha, Ikarantas Strilinga, Shashti Vibhakti, Ikarantas Strilinga Sabdaha, Shashti Vibhakti.
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Shashtamam api karotu.
Pushpani Udyane Santi. Flowers are in the garden.
So Udyane is what?
Udyana is Saptami Vibhakti. Napunsakalinga Ekavachanam.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Anupama Mahodaya, do 7 and 8.
Mahodaya. Margasya ubhayatah vrukshaah santi.
Margasya va?
Margasya.
So there is a rule about ubhayataha. And when
It would
to
be
use. No, let her attempt it. Let her attempt it, please. Do you remember that rule, Mahoday? Sumitra Mahoday. Chinta mastu. Sumitra Mahoday. Prayatnam karoti va?
Margam ubayataha vrukshaah santi. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti. When ubayataha, abayataha, and one more thing. If it is there, then we have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti.
What is that other thing?
It is ubayataha, abayataha, I think. Both sides, both sides. Not abayataha.
Paretaha.
Paritaha.
Oh.
Astu.
Abhitaha, paritaha, and ubayataha.
No, there is nothing called abhitaha. Paritaha and ubhayataha.
No, but Mahodaya, in the Parichaya book, it is there.
Astu. Pashyamaha.
In the words abhitaha.
Astu. In the next class, we'll look at which vibhakti to use one. Let's finish this. So, ubhayataha and paritaha, whenever you have that, whatever it is, ubhayataha or paritaha of, that word will be in Ditya Vibhakti. So, therefore, it is Margam, not Margasya.
So, abhitaha is like around, right?
No, paritaha.
Because the question there was given Himalayam abhitaha, this one, vanani santi.
Astu. Anantaram pashyamaha.
Okay.
Let us first finish this question paper. Vadatu, Anupam. Vadatu.
Ramena saha Lakshmanaha vanam gatavan.
Kimartham Ramena?
Ramena is with Rama.
Why
Lakshmana,
Ramena?
Ramena is when we use saha, we need to use the Tritiya Vibhakti. That is.
Vadatu.
That's why we use Ramena.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Sri Vidya Mahoday, etat prayatnam karotu. Ka kaha gate kim kshipati. Oh, this is the story. So you have to remember the story and answer. So if you have read the story, then it will be easy. If you have not yet studied the story, then
not yet studied, Mahoday.
Hemanti Mahoday, prayatnam karoti va?
Yeah, kakah gate kim kshipati, kakah gate shilakhandani kshipati.
Uttama. In the exam, they are asking only one word. So just write Shilakhandani.
Okay.
अत्र सम्पूर्णं वाक्यं वदतु, प्राक्टिस् भवति.
शिष्यः किमर्थं पण्डितसमीपं गच्छति? शिष्यः अभ्यासार्थं पण्डितसमीपं गच्छति.
उत्तमं. Do 3 and 4 also.
वृद्धः वृक्षे किम् अपश्यत्? वृद्धः वृक्षे आम्रफलानि अपश्यत्.
आम्रफलानि अपश्यत्. चतुर्थं.
सर्पः कम् अखादत्? सर्पः मूषकम् अखादत्.
धन्यवादः. Who else has studied the stories from the Parichaya Pravesha book? Bhagyama, I can't see everybody. Bhagya Mahoday, bhavati karoti va? Have you studied the stories?
Sajjanaha kim vadati? Sajjanaha, I thought nyayam vadanti. Satyam vadanti or nyayam vadanti. I thought it's the fifth story.
Can anybody confirm what it is?
No.
Can I say?
Sumitra Mahoday, vadatu.
Sajjanaha tyajet kulasartam. That we have to write, I think.
This is from the story. What you are saying is the Subhashita. Harsha Mahoday, vadatu.
No,
Yeah, it's a tyajedekam kulasyarthe iti vadanti.
Okay, that's what I tried to say.
It's a story, yeah. It's a story.
In the story, they have given us like in the quotes.
Tyajedekam kulasarthe. Yes.
Evam
the
va,
story.
There is a
evam
story
asti.
that goes with the story.
Yes.
Evam va. So how can you answer in one word?
But that is what it is there.
Yeah, it's a one word, but it's in a quotation.
Yes.
Is there any other story that has something that the Sajjanas say?
It is from the 7th lesson.
Tatra kim asti?
Ataha sajjanaha vadanti tyajedyekam kulasyartham iti.
That is fine. Is there any other story where they give a one-word answer? Kim vadanti? Astu. Please check it out.
I will check. I will check.
Who was answering this? Bhagyama. Who has studied the stories and can answer 6 and 7?
Sadhu Ganga Tire.
7 is general knowledge.
Ganga Tire Snanam Karoti, right? That's the story I read. That's Sadhu. It's on page 150.
Yes.
Kim
If
snanam
it is only
karoti.
one word, then snanam.
Snanam karoti or upakaram karoti. There are two answers, Mahodaya.
Astu. Saptamam. What is the 7th one?
Chandraguptasya mantri Chanakyaha.
That is general knowledge.
That is general knowledge. It's very easy.
Yeah.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. So that is why it's
Samyakta
important. Vadatu.
Sorry, again one question. So this Kakah Ghate Kim Shipati, should it be Shila Kandani or Shila Kandan? It's like Shila Khandaha. That's what I remember. So Pullingam. So is it Shila Kandani or Shila Kandan?
Shila Khandani.
Shila
I made a mistake.
Shila Khandaha. Pumlinga. Pumlinga. Ataha Shila Khandan. Shila Khandan.
Good catch.
अस्तु. कस्य क्रमः अस्ति अत्र? बालमहोदय प्रयत्नं करोतु.
आम्. रामायणं वाल्मीकिः. वाल्मीकिः. अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलं कालिदासः. शाकुन्तलं. शकुन्तलं न. अभिज्ञानशाकुन्तलं कालिदासः. अष्टाध्यायी पाणिनि. स्वप्न वास वदतं भासः. That is by trial and error. And Bhagavad Gita Vyasah.
एतत् पुनः पठतु.
Swapna Vasa Vadatam.
Atra, don't break it like, don't break it like
Swapna
that.
Vasa Vadatam. Bhasaha.
Swapna Vasava Dattam. Astu. So you would know this if you studied the book or attended the tutorial class. If you haven't attended the tutorial classes, please review the videos. Meera Mahoday and the other tutors have covered this. Astu, kasya kramah asti? Prashant Mahoday, prayatnam karoti va? These are all subhashitas.
Nahi suptasya.
No, start from the top.
This one I don't remember.
Astu. Okay, I see what you're doing. Astu. Say what you know.
Nahi suptasya sinhasya pravishante mukhe mrigaha.
So you eliminated the first and the last one. So these two you have to fit in.
Udyame nev karyani na siddhanti udyame nev manorathai karyani na siddhanti.
Other way around. Udyame naiva siddhyanti karyani na manorathaihi. Nahi suptasya simhasya pravishanti mukhe mrugaha. Udyamenaiva siddhyanti. Atra siddhyanti bhavati. Atra manorathaihi. So, astu. Dhanyavadaha. Harsha Mahoday, etat prayatnam karoti va?
Na kaschidapi janati kim kasya so bhavishyati. Ataha swaha karniyani kuryad deva buddhiman.
Kuryad adyaiva.
Kuryad adyaiva buddhiman.
Artaha janati va?
Ataha.
Artham janati.
That is why.
No. This whole thing. This subhashita.
Oh, no one knows what is going to happen to whom, what is going to happen tomorrow to whom. That is why therefore a wise men do whatever they wise men do today, whatever they have casual for tomorrow.
Uttamam. Prashant Mahodaya, do you know the meaning of this?
Like with the hard work, you like the works are fulfilled in that sense. And the second one is that in the sleeping.
This one, na manorathai. You told the first part.
With thinking or desiring, it doesn't happen.
Second one.
Like one has to work, even the in the sleeping lion's mouth, the deer doesn't enter.
Uttam. Dhanyavada.
Mahoday, sorry, you said deer, right? Instead of it is animals, right? General mukaha.
So mrugaha has two meanings: deer or any animal in general.
So it is bahuvachanam, right?
Deer bahuvachanam deer eva, animals api vaktum shakyate.
Astu, dhanyavad.
Who has studied this? Select words from column A, E, U to make correct sentences. These are all the small things they've given at the top of each chapter. Sukti. Arambham karotu Lakshmi Mahoday. Chitte vachi.
Chitte. The third one is Arabdham.
अस्तु आरब्धम्
उत्तमजनाः न परित्यजन्ति
आरब्धम् उत्तमजनाः न परित्यजन्ति अस्तु प्रथमं कः जानाति who knows the first one चित्
अहं जानामि
वदतु हर्ष महोदय
ओके चित्ते वाचि क्रियायां च महताम् एकरूपता महताम् एकरूपता
अस्तु हेमन्ती महोदय
okay kriya siddhihi kriya siddhihi nastya. No, I'm getting confused between the two now.
Chinta
Sotsaha.
Do you know this?
Sotsahanam uttamajan. Sotsahanam.
Kaha janati? Does anybody remember these?
I will experiment.
I can.
Bala Mahodaya, you try one. Sumitra Mahodaya, you try the other one.
Kriya siddhi satve bhavati.
Artha kaha? Artha kaha Bala Mahodaya?
I went by kriya siddhi. I said it is singular, so bhavati.
Singular mastu ekavachanam.
Then,
so what is the meaning? What is the meaning?
Kriya siddhi means fulfilling work.
Fulfillment of work. Satve.
Fulfillment of work. Satve means it becomes true or becomes whatever.
Evam va.
I'll leave it to somebody who has read the story.
Story nasti, sukti asti. Meera Mahodaya, can you confirm?
It is in noble people. Kriya siddhihi satve bhavati. In noble people, kriya siddhi is seen.
Evam va. Astu. Sumitra Mahodaya, antimam prayatnam karoti.
I think it's
no, wait. Sumitra Mahodaya, let's take turns.
No, I'm telling the meaning.
I think she already told. Okay, you tell. Harsha Mahodaya.
Means one can reach the goal by walking on the right path. Satve means right way.
Astu. Pustake asti artha api kantasti karotu. Kantasthim karotu. Astu. Prayatnam karotu.
Kriya siddhi, that one is what I learned is success is in the great man lies in their inherent weapon and not in their external means.
So what is the full? So what is the? How do you fill this sentence? Kriya siddhi.
Kriya siddhi satve bhavati.
Evam va. Astu. Antimam kim asti?
Sotsahanam nastyasta.
Sadhyam.
Sadhyam. Naranam.
Lakshmi Mahodaya, let Sumitra Mahodaya try. Artha kaha?
That one is that is nothing impossible for the men who are energetic.
Satyam. So please memorize the suktis. So it is possible to expect a question like this. And the Meera Mahodaya and others have covered it in the tutorial also. So follow it through the tutorial or read it through the book.
In tutorial, Sukti was not covered, Mahodaya.
Evam va?
Yeah, we have to cover Sukti and Subhashitam now.
Can you do that in the next, this class and the next one?
Yeah, this week I am not there, Mahodaya. I wanted to tell you.
Astu.
Maybe
Subhashit.
Yeah.
Subhashitani, we already covered in the class. I think the first 8 we covered. 9 and 10 we haven't covered.
If we can, if everybody is available, whoever wants to attend, we can do it after I come back. Maybe on a
Astu.
Monday.
We'll figure it out offline. Astu.
No, Friday, Mahodaya, if you want me to do Suktihi, I can do it.
Astu. Karotu. Krupaya karotu. Please do it.
Only Suktihi, Mahodaya.
Astu. Suktihi. We will discuss what else you can cover after the class. Astu. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, have you studied this part? Kimichati Naraha Kashyam. This is the Prahelika. We have covered this in the class. I remember this.
Kimichati Nara Kashyam Bhupanam Korane Hitah Ko Vandaiha Sarvadevanam Diyato Meka Taram. Okay. What is the option given down? Mrityunjaya
or Vijayaha. What is the correct answer?
Oh, okay. We have given that also. Okay.
It's the Prahelika.
Mrityunjaya.
Astu. Dvitiyam.
Vishnu Kavallabha Devi Lokatritaya Charini Varna Vadyantimo Devatakah Shabdah Tulyavachakah.
Datva.
Datva. Sita.
Samanam.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
So the way I remember is Tulya. Tulya is Samanam. Tulya is measuring Samanam. That's how I remember it. And this one Kashi Mrityunjayaha. That's how I remember it. These are Prahelikas. You can't solve them in the exam. You either know the answer or you don't.
Or you take one answer.
You're lucky you get it.
Or you take one answer.
Of course. But there are only 10 Prahelikas, so please memorize them. Astu.
Mahodaya, can I ask
Pruchatu.
you a question, sir?
Pruchatu.
In the exam, do they give you a choice like this, like Mrityunjayaha / Vijayaha?
Maybe, or you have to know the answer. Either ways.
Yeah.
I have seen both ways.
Yeah, okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Sri Vidya Mahodaya, first try the first two.
Arakshakaha Choram Anudhavati.
Arthaha kaha?
The policeman catch the thieves.
Catch what? Dhavati ityukte kim?
Anudhavati. No, he is.
No. What is Dhavati?
Dhavati is running.
What is Anudhavati?
Running behind. Running behind. The policeman is running behind the thief.
Astu.
Archakaha mantram patati.
Mantram patati. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Anupama Mahodaya, please do these three.
Sainikaha desham rakshati. Nataha अभिनयं करोति. धीवरः मणिं गृह्णाति.
मणिं वा?
मीनं, sorry.
What is dhivaraha?
Fisherman.
So it has to be meenam.
Meenam.
Etat padam kim?
Grunati.
So what is the meaning?
The fisherman catches the fish.
Catches the fish. Dhanyavadaha. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya. Sadhu asadhu iti likhata. Mahabharatam panchamaha vedaha iti prasiddham. Sadhu va asadhu va. Correct or wrong?
Bharatam panchama vedaha iti sadhu.
So these are all the Sangrahya Vishayas. I think Meera Mahodaya has covered it in the tutorials. Is that right, Mahodaya?
Yeah.
Mahodaya.
Dvitiyam.
Is it not?
Second one is from the
not
left.
Panchamo Vedaha?
That is because of Sandhi. Panchamaha Vedaha, it will become Panchamo Vedaha. But here they are not asking the grammar. They are asking you if the sentence is correct or not.
Okay.
Vijay Sundara Mahodaya, Dvitiyam Karot.
Petikayam Bhakshayani Santi.
Bhakshyani.
Bhakshyani Santi iti Sarpaha Achintayat. Petikayam. I'm not sure.
Ka vaktum ichchati?
Asadu.
Asadu. Sadhu vakyam kim?
Petikayam bhakshani santi iti mushakaha achintayat.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Chaitra Mahodaya, Trini Karotu.
Mahodaya. Kavyam trividham gadhyam padhyam champuhu cha sadhu. Apakarishu yaha sadhuhu sa sadhu riti kirtitaha. It is from the story, it is sadhu. Vrikshaha chhayayam tishtanti. Asadhu Mahodaya.
Sadhu vakyam kim?
Vrikshaha, I mean, they stand in the sun, so they give shade to the others. Likewise, the good people also give, like they kind of face the hardships and they help the others.
Astu. Atra prashnaः सन्ति वा? अस्तु, कस्य क्रमः अस्ति?
वृक्षाः आतपे तिष्ठन्ति.
सत्यं सत्यं. धन्यवादः राम महोदय. अस्तु, बाला महोदय प्रयत्नं करोतु. फलं पुष्पम् इति चिनोतु.
नारिकेलम्.
नारिकेलम् अत्र अस्ति, डायगोनल् मध्ये अस्ति. एकमपि चिनोतु.
पाटलम्.
पाटलम् अत्र अस्ति. एकमपि. One more.
द्राक्षम्.
द्राक्षम् उत्तमम्. प्रशांत महोदय.
महोदय.
Can you make something from this? Naranga, orange. Narangam, satyam. Can you make something from this? Parijatam. What is Parijatam?
No, I don't know. Sorry.
It's a type of flower.
No.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Harsha Mahoday.
Okay. Kadali.
Kadali asti va? Astu. From this?
Alukam. It's a vegetables, right? It's not a phalam.
Phalam or pushpa. Astu. Alukam asadhu. Uttaram. Sadhu. So they're asking us to find 5. Evam eva. What is Ketaki?
Flower.
Evam va. Astu. Anantaram. Has anybody found anything else?
Jati.
Parijatam. Okay, Parijatam.
Jati. Jati is there. That is Jasmine.
Mahodaya.
Vadat.
So in this crossword puzzle, are they expected that we can take any words in any way? Or is it a row or a column? How what is it expected?
Just like you would do any crossword puzzle, straight, down, diagonal.
Okay. Any like, can I take one word from the first row, 2 words from the 5th row, like that?
No. They have to be in an order.
I see. So it should be vertical or horizontal or diagonal.
Satya.
Okay, got it.
Astu, we did this one at the beginning of the class. Prashna Dvayam avasishyate. Read the passage and answer the question. Sri Vidya Mahoday, etat jhatiti patatu.
एकः यात्रिकः नगरं गच्छति तस्य हस्ते एकः स्यूतः अस्ति मार्गे सः एकम् आम्रवृक्षं पश्यति सः वृक्षस्य छायायाम् उपविशति विश्रान्तिं स्वीकरोति सः आम्रफलानि खादति यात्रिकः चिन्तयति वृक्षाः सदा परोपकारम् एव आचरन्ति अतः अहं वृक्षस्य रक्षणं करोमि इति।
उत्तमं। प्रश्नः
यात्रिकस्य हस्ते किम् अस्ति? यात्रिकस्य हस्ते स्यूतः अस्ति।
एकः स्यूतः अस्ति। द्वितीयं
यात्रिकः मार्गे किं पश्यति? यात्रिकः मार्गे आम्रवृक्षं पश्यति।
एकम् आम्रवृक्षं। तृतीयं
यात्रिकः कुत्र विश्रान्तिं स्वीकरोति? यात्रिकः वृक्षस्य छायायां विश्रान्तिं स्वीकरोति।
उत्तमं। चतुर्थं
के परोपकारम् आचरन्ति? वृक्षस्य परोपकारम् आचरन्ति।
वृक्षस्य वा? Who does paropakaram? Ke. It's in the story itself. You don't have to make your own sense. Vrikshaha paropakaram
acharanti.
So you don't have to make up any sentences. It's in the story itself.
Okay. Yatrikaha kim kartum nishchitavan. Yatrikaha vrikshasya rakshanam kartum nishchitavan.
Uttama. Dhanyavadaha. Sumitra Mahoday, Antimam. Write 5 sentences on any one topic. Astu, we have done plenty of this, but okay, we'll finish it.
Mama Desha. We have
they've given the words also for you. to use. Very simple, no? Mama deshaha, Bharat deshaha.
Yeah.
Prayatnam karotu. It's good.
Mama deshaha, Bharat deshaha. Mama Bharatiyaha. We are called Bharatiyaha.
So
Vayam. Yeah. Vayam Bharatiyaha. That's it.
That's it. Keep 2 or 3 words in each sentence. That way you won't go wrong.
Bharatadeshaha. Bharatadeshaha Puratanaha. Bharat mama deshe Himalaya parvatah asti.
Astu. Antimam.
Okay. Hindu Mahasahara. Okay. This is also Mahadeshe Hindu Mahasahara asti.
Deshe tu sagaraha na bhavati kalu. It cannot be in the country. So try south of the country. South padam
Dakshina.
Sanskrit.
Dakshina.
Dakshinataha.
Mama desha dakshin deshasya dakshinataha or
Satyam.
Mama deshasya dakshinataha Hindu Mahasahara asti.
Uttamam. Hemanti Mahoday.
वृष्टिकालः एकः वृष्टिकालः भवति
Kada bhavati. Okay, so they have given some help words. So pick any one word. I'll start you off.
Okay.
Vadat.
वृष्टिकालः भवति यदा वृष्टिकालः भवति तदा मयूराः नृत्यन्ति.
Uttamam. Keep it simple, no? Vrishtikale vrishtihi bhavati.
Vrishtikale vrishtihi bhavati.
Keep it simple because when you are writing in the exam, you'll also be under pressure. So keep it simple.
Vrishtikale मेघातः जलं पतन्ति.
Meghatah va? Meghatah.
Yeah.
So
you
have,
okay, yes.
When you are using taha, add it to the pratipadika.
Pratipadikam, that's correct. Okay, so vrishtikale meghatah jalam patanti.
Patati. Jalam patati.
Jalam patati. Okay. Jalam patati. Vrishtikale janaha santosham anubhavanti.
Uttamam. Santosham anubhavanti.
Anubhavanti. So 5 sentences, yeah.
Done. That's all. It's very, keep it extremely simple. Vrishti kale meghaha garjanti, vrishtihi bhavati, jalam patati, mayuraha nrutyanti.
Santosham.
Satyam. Uttamam. And you don't have to use vrishti kale in every sentence. He's just asking you to write 5 sentences about vrishti kala. And these are the helpful topics. Astu.
Anu Mahodaya.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
Dakshinataha, I think it is right side, right? That's what we have studied.
South is also Dakshina.
Okay, but
We can say
Vamataha, Dakshinataha, like left and right side.
Correct. But south
Could
is
we
also.
Adaha, could we use that for Himalaya, for Hindu Mahasagara? Adaha means below.
When you are looking at a map, it will be below. Tadapi vaktum shakyate. Dakshinatah api sadhuhu eva. South, in the south.
And we can use it for right side also, right? To remain right
both right and south are dakshina. So it's easy, no? The exam paper is very easy. So if I observed correctly, all of you are good in the Satyam. Vyakaranamshaha, everybody is good. This katha, etc., the memorization topics need some more practice. Satyam, ma?
I think in 2019 paper, there is write about one of the topics given below 5-6 sentences, and there is Ramayana and Mahabharatam. So I guess we have to prepare those as well, right?
Why? Ramayanam, Ramasya Katha, Ramasya Bharya Sita, Ramasya Anujaha Lakshmanaha, Ramasya Anyaha Anujaha Bharataha.
Ramayanasya Karta. Ramasagar Lakshmanan Vanam Gacchati.
Lakshmanena Saha
So
Vanam
I was thinking, so in the Pravesha book, that's not what is given. There is different, things. So I'm just thinking if we have to write this way or what's given in the book.
Keep it simple, right? If they are asking you to write in your own words, keep it simple. So when I took the exam, they gave a picture of Shiva Parivaram, Shiva, Parvati, Mushika, Ganesha, and Kartikeya. And they asked us to write 5 sentences. Chitre Shiva Parvati asti, Chitre Shiva asti. Shivasya putraha Ganeshaha.
Bhanu Mahoday, for a Vrishtikal, I wrote like Akase Bahavaha Meghaha Santi, Meghat Vrishtihi Bhavati, Mayuraha Meghan Drashtva Nrutyanti, Chatakaha Meghaha Jalam Pibanti, Paramam Santosham Anubhavanti.
Uttamam. So the one thing to remember though is in the exam you may not remember all of those things. It's easy to write it at home. Plus, the bigger or the longer your sentence is, the more chances of you making mistakes. So keep it 2 or 3 words. They are not expecting us to be Vyasa or Valmiki. They are expecting us to write. Can we construct a sentence that is grammatically correct? That's all they are expecting. So Ekavachanam, Bahuvachanam.
Bhanu Mahoday, if somebody is correcting the paper after reading Harshaji's sentences, the next person will have trouble.
Bhanu Mahoday, I wrote Uttara Bhage Himalaya Parvataha Hasti, Dakshina Bhage Hindu Mahasagaraha Hasti.
That is also good. Satyam. Uttaram, Dakshinam. North, South. Purvam, Paschimam. So I hope this has given confidence to everybody about the exam. As you can see, it is very simple. Ati saralam asti. Kevalam katha subhashitaha prahelika etan vishayan kinchit kantastikaranam karaniyam. Kantastin kurvantu. Memorize those and then you'll all get 100 on 100 as Bala Mahodaya has blessed us all.
Yes, absolutely. I say if Bhanu Mahoday can pass, then even I can pass.
Satyam. Astu. Mangala Shlokam Uktva Samapayamaha. Agre Prashnaha Santi Chet Aham Atre Sthagayami Pruchantu. Anupama Mahodaya. Ekakshanam.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम धन्यवाद
अनुपमा महोदय पूर्णमेव अवशिष्यते
ओके पूर्णमेव
पूर्णमेव अवशिष्यते
अवशिष्यते